Today I'm going to share a riff with you on a traditional caprese salad. This is something that I do all year round, but especially when tomatoes are in season, and it's been warm enough that we still have fresh tomatoes, and I was inspired by this vinegar that I got this week from Quail and Olive. It is called Pacific Spice Vinegar, and it's made with hand-picked organic kiwis from Atascadero. That's the kiwi Pacific part. The spice is from special chilies grown in the chaparral garden, also in Atascadero. So that's what inspired this. I decided that I was going to do a caprese salad, which is just fresh mozzarella, fresh tomatoes, and basil, and I'm going to add in kiwis. So these are all organic, and I got a head start and I sliced these up. This is one of my favorite salads because it's so easy. And all you do is layer. So actually I'm just going to move these so that you can see it clearly. And so I pre-slice, so I'm just going to layer tomato, mozzarella, kiwi. I'm actually going to put the basil leaf in here. And then just repeat. So tomato, basil, mozzarella, kiwi. And for the bigger leaves, you can just kind of cut it in half. Okay, so you have the nice arrangement all around of your tomato, mozzarella, basil, and kiwi. And then for this, it's just super easy. Drizzle of olive oil. And I'm using the Doctor's Blend from Quail and Olive. And you're just going to drizzle that all around your veggies. And then again, this is the vinegar that inspired this, and it's the Pacific Spice from Quail and Olive. And then that just all the way around. And once you have everything arranged on your platter, you're just going to give it a final sprinkle with some salt and pepper. Other way around, sorry, pepper and then salt. And this is just an example of how I'm inspired by things that I find. So I hope that this video inspires you to get creative, use what you have, and create some delicious messes. If you like this video, please click like. You'll see the description of this process and other links to my social media in the description below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to Culinary Cam. We'll have more videos in store for you.